What is the meaning of preamble? It is the introduction. So introduction to what? Introduction to the Constitution of India. Okay. So it is the introductory note to the Constitution. What is this? Preamble क्या है? देखो यहाँ पे दिया है. It is introductory note. Introductory note means something that introduces, okay, certain basic information. Introduction is given in the Constitution. Wait a minute. Again. So we are learning preamble of the Constitution. It is the introductory note of the Constitution. It is regarded as the soul of the Constitution, and important principles of Constitution are given in the preamble. So we started learning the text of preamble. Here, when we say the text, the first word that comes is we. It's not I, it's not you, it's we. So that feeling of togetherness is there. So we, all people of India, it's not only one who has written that constitution or who has those people who have made the constitution, but we all people of India, we decide to constitute India, to make India into a sovereign, independent, socialist, where equality is there, economic, social equality is there, secular, where there is no religion of country, only all religions are equal. So that set of mind will be there, secular nation will be there, democratic means it will be, the government will be run by the people only, elected people. So there will not be autocratic. Autocratic मतलब हुकुमशाह बोलते हैं, एक ही रहेगा and the one person will govern the nation. Okay, so democratic elected bodies of people will govern the nation. Republic, so it is republic, गणतंत्र बोलते हैं हम लोग, and to secure all the citizens, all its citizens. Now what we are going to secure? These two lines you understood? ये समझ में आ गया? That we are making India sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Now what are the things of its citizens we want to secure? We all will secure. It's not the case that we, the people of constitution who has made constitution, are telling that we will secure your rights. No. But we, the people, will secure other people's what? Justice. Justice in the sense social, economic and political. Now when we say social justice, what exactly I mean here when I say social justice? Let me just open that book. So when I say justice, in the sense social, equal social status for all. There will not be one person in the society having the say upper status or high status, low status, like that. There won't be there. There will not be any kind of discrimination based on caste, upper caste, lower caste. If we say there is justice, social justice means all are equal. In society, all people are equal, their status is equal. Though you belong to any caste, any religion, doesn't matter, all are equal in the society. Economic justice, when I say economic justice, there will be removal of poverty. All people, they should get the chance to earn their daily food. Whatever their daily necessities are there, those should be fulfilled by them. So that kind of opportunity should be provided, will be provided by the government, so that poverty may not be there in the country. All people will be economically stable. Economic justice. Political justice, we have that universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise, what is that? Adult, that is 18 plus, is eligible to elect the members to vote. That is adult universal adult franchise. Okay, so who will be electing the members? Those people who are 18 plus, above 18, they are eligible to vote and they are eligible to elect their members and their representatives. That is political justice. Even you can also enjoy that power, political power, authority you can get. You can also participate. All people can participate in the political processes, whatever processes, different processes that take place. इलेक्शन होते हैं, जो सिलेक्ट होते हैं, वो सभी प्रोसेस में वो पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. वी ऑल कैन पार्टिसिपेट. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही जो स्ट्रैटा है सोसाइटी का, ओनली दोज कैन पार्टिसिपेट. All can participate. So that is political justice. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Liberty is nothing but the freedom. All are free to think, express. You can express your views and opinions. Belief, whatever belief you are free to have those beliefs. Nobody can force you to remove or change your belief. Faith, you can have faith in any religion. Nobody can force you that you should take this religion only. Anyone can worship any religion. So faith and worship is the choice of the person, individual. It can't be forced by somebody. Suppose I want to say opt for Christian religion, any other religion, Muslim religion, I can go for it. Nobody will force me to stay back in that religion only. Then equality of status and opportunities. It is, see, all are equal. Social status, when we consider that equality is there, and opportunities, whatever opportunities those are available in the society, facilities are available societies, will be given to all, because all are equal in front of constitution, in front of law. लॉ के सामने सभी इक्वल है, तो सभी को